Problems on transformations in CAD. Let us see the given problem. In a CAD package, mirror image of a 2D point P of 5, 10 is to be obtained about a line which passes through the origin and makes an angle of 45 degrees counterclockwise with the x-axis. The coordinates of the transformed point will be. Okay, first discussing about the concept for the given problem. Concept. Then we will solve the given problem. When a mirror point, when a mirror point of point that is P of x1 comma y1 is calculated about a line that is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. It is given by point that is p dash of x2 comma y2. So you can write it is given by x2 minus x1 by a equal to y2 minus y1 by b equal to minus 2 into ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. Now you can compare the given problem with this equation. Here the given mirror point, that is p of 5 comma 10, that means x1 equal to 5, y1 equal to 10, and also given the equation in terms of the line passing through the origin and makes an angle of 45 degrees, that means y equal to x, we know that. So by using these two data points, you can find out the x2 and y2. Okay, first write the given data. Given data is p of x1 comma y1 equal to 5 comma 10. That means x1 equal to 5 and y1 equal to 10. And given one more condition, that is a line passing through the origin. Origin means 0 comma 0 and making an angle that is 45 degrees is given by. Here the 45 degrees means you can take the distance from x and y, both are equal to, that means y equal to x. You can also write x minus y equal to 0. Comparing this equation with line equation, comparing x minus y equal to 0 with ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Here a equal to 1 comma b equal to minus 1 and C equal to 0. Now substitute these values in the previous equation, that is x2 minus x1 by a equal to y2 minus y1 by b equal to minus 2 into a x1 plus b y1 plus c by a square plus b square. Now you can substitute the values here. X2 minus x1 is 5, a is 1, y2 minus y1, y1 is 10 by b is minus 1 equal to minus 2 into a is 1, x1 5 plus b is minus 1, y1 is 10 plus 0 by a square, that means 1 square, b square minus 1 whole square. Now simplify this equation. X2 minus 5 equal to minus of y2 minus 10 equal to minus 2 into here 5 minus 10, that is minus 5 by 1 square plus minus 1 whole square, 1 plus 1 2, here 2 get cancelled, minus of minus 5, that equal to plus 5. Now x2 minus 5 equal to 5, this is the one case. Other one is minus of y2 minus 10 equal to 5. Okay, from this equation you can get x2 equal to 5 plus 5 10. Here this minus go to that side, y2 minus 10 equal to minus 5 equal to this minus 10 go to outside right side, minus 5 plus 10, that equal to y2 equal to 5. So the answer is x2 equal to 10 and y2 equal to 5. That means answer is option 2. This is the mirror point for the given point P of 5, 10. You can easily identify the answer because the line passing through the origin and makes 45 degrees. Just you can change the values. Just you can swap the values. That means this is the x and y. The mirror image is y comma x. This is the way to you can identify the mirror point in easy way. This is the proper solution, proper method. You can also directly you can write the answer 10, 5. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates.